Here's how to make a playlist on YouTube Mobile. Now, if you're on an iPhone or an Android and you want to create a playlist, maybe for your channel or just videos that you like to watch, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's head into the YouTube app here. And there are a couple different ways to create a playlist. First, let's say this video, I really like it, and I wanted to make a playlist for this specific video that I want to go back and watch again. Let's dismiss all of these. Now, what I can do is on here to be able to make this playlist, I can swipe all the way over here, and you can see I can hit save. And I've saved, it essentially says save to the recently watched playlist. So I can hop out of here and tap on you at the bottom right. And now under playlist, you can hit view all and you can see watch later. This is just a default playlist that is always on your phone and computer. Essentially, this is private, only showing videos that you want to watch later. But you can also just create your own playlist by tapping on create playlist at the very bottom. And you can say something like golfing. And on here, you can choose private or public. You can change that to public or unlisted. Let's just hit private here, and I can hit add videos. And then I can just search for golf. Now, on any of these different ones, if I wanted to add it, I can just hit save to playlist. And then just like that, it will save it to my golfing playlist for me to be able to watch down the road. Now, keep in mind, I can also just go back here and tap on the view all on playlist here and create a new playlist. And I can always set this to public if I wanted to set this public playlist so that everyone would be able to see it. And then I can always add my own videos from my own YouTube channel on here. Say if I wanted to add ones about YouTube, I can create a YouTube playlist and then dump all of my videos related to that specific topic in there. And because it's public, everyone would be able to see it from my channel. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below. Leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.